over or record because I know it wouldn't let me send like over a so minute long video last time, so I'll make them in a couple of different ones. Alright, I know that they hadn't even hit the they're getting ready for it though. Oh shit. Cigarette sliding down the freaking roof. I got them though. They're getting ready for the here it comes. They're getting ready for it. Yeah, they're getting ready for it.
One was high.
Alright, don't fuck it up with no bottle rockets.
How am I messing it up?
Oh.
Come on, man.
God.
You missed out on half of it.
God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Dude, there's nothing obstructing our view. Whoa, that was the biggest one yet, dude. That was huge. Holy shit. Look, there's another heart. Look, there's another one. Wow, man. Whoa. They aren't done yet. When they do the fucking grand finale, you'll know it. And I don't give a shit. Negative Nancy fucking Nate the other day. This is some of the best fireworks there is in the country. Look, I see fireworks all over the country. They do have some of the best fireworks in the country. They do. He was just being negative as fuck the other night. I seen him. Like, I seen the ones he was bragging about so badass in Pensacola. I was there working with Jake. It wasn't that much fucking better at all. It was probably about the same, actually. And a lot of it's low. Look how bright it is. See it? So you can see it on the video a little bit. But that's just stupid when they're not even blowing up.
Supposed to be screamers.
Yeah, they fucked up. Oh, shit, look at this one. Uh-oh. Woo! Oh, here it comes. Dan, they're really starting it. They're about to lay it down for us. They're laying it down right now. They're laying it down.
Beautiful.
Baby, this is for you. I love you. I wish you was up here with us. It sucks so bad.
Ow.
Wow, you see that? That was cool. Wow. Whoa. Dude, that is cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, dude. Yeah. I've seen a lot of fireworks show. I'm serious, Dan. I really have. What he was saying the other day, putting it down. Like he was talking about Jersey. Look, I've seen the one in Chicago, and like really, you know, if you read, like, you know, it actually shows there. It puts up like one of the 20th or top 15 or 20 best fireworks show in America. I mean, and he was saying they were cheap as fuck. Man, he don't know what he's talking about. I'm gonna have to go to Wide View to catch all this shit. Wow, God, dude.
We got the best free show in the shit.
But I tell you, it drifted to the left, didn't I? Remember, because at first that tree was kind of in front of it. I knew the river slowly drifted down a little bit. That's what I love about living here. That's the best thing about living here. You know? best thing about living in this neighborhood.
What's that?
Being able to see the fireworks. Look at that. Here's the grand finale. Grand finale, baby. Woo, baby, yeah. America.
America.
America. Woo, America.